Hello, Obophiles! Today we're talking about Ferling number 17, which is the slow etude in B flat major. Now, B flat major has a weird affect because it's kind of been commented by the band world, and it has a kind of blocky connotation to it because of the way that it's been treated in the United States and especially in Texas. But it's important to remember that everyone can play B flat major, and in this B flat major etude, the point is to get this smooth, flowing motion and a little bit of kind of triumphant feeling. So, in order to do that, we need to make sure that we're never beating the pulse of the downbeats, and we're using plenty of spinning vibrato to connect through the notes. Something that can help with this is going around the corner. Similar to the B minor etude that we did a couple weeks ago. Actually, most of the etudes do this, but we're going to cover it in this etude as well. So just using your vibrato to spin through the notes, especially when you go around the corner. So in the pickup to measure, I think that's 19, looks like, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, nope. Pickups to measure 14, we have this motion. Now you can rush through it, and redistribute a bunch of different ways, but it's really impactful and really beautiful if you can distribute it in a way that allows you to get some hang time and flow into the next harmony. Another place you can do this is actually in trills. So sometimes in trills they can seem like really flashy things, and they should be kind of ornamental because they are ornaments, like pretty things on a Christmas tree. But just like certain ornaments on a Christmas tree, they can also be smooth and flowing. And the way to do that is when you have trills with large intervals after the notch log. The notch log being the end grouping part of the trill. I should make a video about ornaments and vocabulary, but that's a video for another time. If you have questions about ornaments, please let me know in the comments. But this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 bars, 5 bars from the end, where we have this phrase, or this gesture. We could speed through the notch log, like this. But that really destroys the taffy between the notes. So if you take a little bit more time between these large intervals, it's a lot more effective. There's a lot of other stuff in this etude that I'd love to get into, but there's just not enough time and nuance in this YouTube video. But I've been giving virtual lessons, so if you'd like to sign up for a lesson, see the information in the link below. And of course, all of these things are much easier to do if you have a working read. So if you'd like a working read, you can get that at obophiles.com. We've got plenty of awesome reviews, so I'm glad that people are enjoying playing on the reads that I'm making. Oh. And of course, if you find these videos useful or like oboe things, don't forget to like the video. That helps out the channel a lot. And subscribe. And of course, when in doubt, play beautifully.